Congress's big attack on testing, questions raised by the Congress party. Congress ruled chief ministers regarding the number and quality of testing. Rajasthan government also claims that they are not getting financial help from the centre. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has said that they had asked for 1 lakh testing kits but were given only 10,000 test kits. Here we're looking at some allegations coming in. Congress's big attack on testing, and now questions being raised by Congress ruled chief ministers as well regarding the number of quality of test kits being sent. The number and the quality, both are under fire. A big question coming in from chief ministers, including that of Rajasthan, where they claim that the government has not given financial help to Rajasthan. In fact, faulty test kits were given and not in sufficient number. Test kits not even in sufficient number was delivered to the state. Also, Punjab Chief Minister complaining that they had asked for a lot more test kits but only limited came in, and that too substandard. Anand Patel joining us for more on this. Anand, we're looking at some allegations and we can't possibly compromise with public health and safety. This is a time that we've got to leave politics aside and get down to actual work. Health is important, people's lives are important. We are under lockdown, but if we are not going to test, how are we going to mitigate this crisis altogether?
Well, listen, this is what was underlined by the Congress President Sonia Gandhi in her opening remarks at the Congress Working Committee, which concluded a little while ago. And she clearly emphasized on more testing, which should be undertaken by the government to mitigate the fears of community spread of COVID. And the chief ministers of 2 states, Rajasthan and Punjab, also flagged the problems, the operational problems which the states are facing while combating the coronavirus disease. We've seen Rajasthan government flagging the issue of poor quality of rapid antibody testing kits, and subsequently the ICMR had to stop the exercise in the entire country, accepting that the Chinese imported rapid antibody test kits might be faulty. So while the ICMR is still testing them, another state, Punjab, has also flagged them. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, while participating in the video conferencing CWC meeting, said that the state required 1 lakh rapid antibody testing kits, but they were provided just 10,000 kits, and that too, they were faulty. So clearly, the states are now mounting the heat on the centre to increase the capacity of the rapid antibody testing kits and also their quality. The Rajasthan Chief Minister also flagged the issue of financial distress the states are facing in the fight to COVID. He also emphasized on the fact that the state should be given out some kind of a bailout package. Punjab Chief Minister pointed out that the GST dues are still to be cleared. So these are genuine concerns and issues raised by the Congress ruled, especially the Congress ruled chief ministers. This was at the CWC. They've been taking up with the government and the centre and various ministries at their own level.
Anand Patel, of course, Congress party itself on the whole has hit out at the centre. Now we're looking at individual chief ministers, Rajasthan, Punjab, coming out and saying that they are being deprived of test kits. Now these are some serious allegations. Let's see what the government would respond to that. But do stay with us. We have more information coming in with regards to Congress chief Sonia Gandhi, who's now warned the centre ahead of Prime Minister Modi's meeting with the chief ministers on Monday. Sonia has hit out at the centre on handling the ongoing coronavirus pandemic in the country. She has alleged that the government does not have a clear roadmap post the lockdown ends. Post May 3rd, they have no plan on how to go about it, which is the last day of the nationwide lockdown as declared. Chairing the Congress Working Committee meet today, Sonia has accused the government of ignoring the party's constructive suggestions. She has also said that the government is lacking compassion and large-heartedness in dealing with the outbreak. She also highlighted the poor quality personal protective equipment, PPEs, for doctors and medical workers across the country. She said that the Modi government is not paying enough attention to farmers and migrant workers. Many migrant workers are still stranded and homeless. Congress has said that the issue of weak and unclear procurement policies and disrupted supply chains has now taken a toll on farmers. Let's go back to Anand. Anand, do bring us more on this. Sonia Gandhi upping the ante against the centre, saying that the government does not have a clear roadmap post May 3rd. There's going to be a meeting with the Prime Minister as well as the Chief Minister's respective states. They're going to be deciding, but here is Sonia Gandhi already making allegations that the government isn't clear as of now. A clarity should ideally come post the meeting, but why do you think that she's stepping up her attack, already accusing the government of being clueless?
Well, this assessment of the Congress president is based on the report she's been getting, especially from the Congress-ruled states, where we have seen in the states, due to economic lockdown, there is financial distress among the common man. We've seen the plight of the migrants. That is the reason why the Congress president is saying that we've already lost 12 crore jobs in the first phase of the lockdown. And now that we are staring at another extension of the lockdown period post May 3rd, the government must come up with a clear strategy to deal with the economic distress. For if the current strategy continues of the economic lockdown, in which very hard guidelines have been given for reopening of the industry and businesses, it would lead to more devastation. Economic activity failure could lead to more unemployment, which is already rising. And that is the reason why she has said that the government must compensate the common man with at least 7,500 rupees in their accounts immediately to mitigate for the crisis and the losses they are making in. She's also pointed out the failure of the rapid antibody test kits, which has been flagged by the state governments, and also lack of these test kits. She's also issued the statement on the PPE qualities, the personal protection equipment. So we've seen various cities, the hospital staff are raising these concerns. And also the farmers. The procurement is underway, wheat procurement is underway, and due to the lack of a clear roadmap and the streamline of procurement policy, the farmers are suffering. So these are the genuine points which have been raised by the Congress president during her opening remarks at the CEWC, which concluded a little while ago.
Thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.